Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is all about quick and easy pizza sauce. Let me show you how to make a great and a quick pizza sauce in less than 5 minutes, and let's get started. I'm gonna be using some San Marzano tomatoes. I'm gonna open a big can, 28 ounces. I'm only gonna use the tomatoes. I'm gonna place in the blender about 10 tomatoes. That's what I added. And I love to use San Marzano because they're much sweeter and they're less acidic. So that's my choice. To that, I'm gonna add 5 ounces of tomato paste. And don't forget, you'll find all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. You're gonna follow with a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder, about half a teaspoon of each. And the most important seasoning is gonna be the oregano, and I love to use the Mexican oregano. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of the Mexican oregano, another tablespoon of a good Italian seasoning. And if you're not familiar with Italian seasoning or you don't have any on hand, you can simply mix a tablespoon of marjoram, oregano, basil, thyme, rosemary, and add it to the mix. You can choose to add a little bit of sugar and you can leave it out, it's up to you. I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon of sugar, regular granulated sugar. And what's left now is to adjust the salt and add a little bit of black pepper. I add about half a teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper, and I taste for the salt. And like I said, you can add the sugar gradually. Start with 1 teaspoon, and you cannot add sugar at all if the San Marzano are sweet enough. And you're gonna get a great pizza sauce that's so spreadable and so easy to use and so flavorful in less than 5 minutes, and make a great pizza using it. I hope you give it a try soon, and until next time, bon appétit!